Right, so good evening lahat. Okay, check po yung audio natin. Right, so bago po tayo magsisimula, let's have our prayer first. Let us pray the True Millionaire's Prayer by Brother Bo Sanchez. Lord, today I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today, I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as a channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in Jesus' name. Amen. Right, so once again po, welcome po sa ating membership orientation. So, bago po tayo magsisimula, ipapakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. So, I am Cheryl M. Albos. And dito po sa Bohol, I am a SPED teacher at the same time as a financial educator. Then, life license underwriter and marketing director here sa IMG po. So, who are we or sino ba si IMG? So, IMG stands for International Marketing Group. So, we are the biggest and the fastest growing financial services here in the Philippines. We assist people who help themselves achieve financial freedom through financial education and build a proper financial foundation. And we have established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry, and IMG is a brokerage or financial brokerage company. So we are 20 years and beyond na po si IMG, and our main office po is nasa 9th floor, Kings Court Building, Chino Roses, Makati City. Alright? So, ito po, local and international po yung ating mga financial centers. And we are registered under the Security Exchange Commission. Our SEC registration numbers, andyan po sa ating screen for our legalities, no? Alright. Okay, so, yan. Napuntahan po natin yung ating main office po with the team during 2022 convention. So, doon po tayo sa ating office at katabi po niyan is our Kaiser Medical Center. No? So, napakalaki po ng ating office at katabi lang po si Kaiser Medical Center. Alright, so what is our vision in IMG? No? So, we build a new financial industry where everyone is able to earn like a wealthy are earning by bringing the secret, no? So, malalaman po natin dito kung ano ba yung mga sekreto ng wealthy people na habang tumatagal are they becoming more wealthy, right? So, may secret po tayo na matutunan dito sa financial education or financial literacy. So, our mission is to help create wealth for families, to make a difference for families so there will be no family left behind, no? So, yan po yung mission natin and our crusade. We help people move from dreaming to doing, no? So, lahat po tayo may mga pangarap sa buhay and through IMG, we make it happen, no? We bring it into reality. No, we bring life-changing financial concepts and solutions to middle-income individuals and families who are overlooked by the financial industry. All right? So, ito na po, no, our global campaign of financial literacy. So, hindi lang po tayo local, but we are growing worldwide. And this is our book, no, our crusade, the secret of saving and building our future, no. So, our campaign is 30 million by 2030 financial literacy campaign. So, ngayon po at exactly today, umabot na po tayo sa 14 million, no? And beyond na po yung mga Filipinos na na-educate po natin with the financial literacy. Right? So bakit ba mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng financial education, 'no? Kasi hindi po ito itinuturo sa schools, 'no? So even ako na teacher is, I am not, um familiar with this concept. So dito ko lang po ito natutunan sa IMG, no? So bakit nga ba napakalagang matutunan natin ito? Alright, so because there are challenges in the future na kailangan nating paghandaan. So ano ba yung mga challenges in the future? So ito po ay top 4 lang po, but there are more than for na challenges. So ito lang po yung i-share natin, no? So number one challenge is the uncertain labor market. No? So nowadays, automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers. No? So na-observe po natin sa market na ang dami na pong pagbabago. No? So in the technology evolution. No? So na-observe natin sa bangko, um, konti na lang yung employees kaya there are machines. No, we can withdraw everywhere. At saka sa mga fast food, meron na ding mga digital na, no? So they are hiring less people. And even in the factories, manufacturers, no, they are more on machines already, and that could affect our um working employment, no? So that is even during pandemic is ang dami pong naapektuhan even the businesses, no? So kailangang handa po tayo sa panahon na iyan na whatever happened, na may trabaho man o mawalan tayo ng trabaho, the income or the will still go on, no? Alright, will continue. Then, number two, challenge is the low savings and high debt. No? So, ano po yung impact nito? So, it have a major impact on retirement. Bakit? Many people may have to save or to work beyond 65 years. No? So, edad po retirement na. But then, hindi pa sila magre-retire because of high debt and low savings, and they are not really prepared, no? So kailangan na paghandaan yung retirement and i-minimize yung ating utang. All right? So the next is the high cost of education, no? So as well as the lack of preparation for college, maapektuhan po talaga yung ating mga kabataan, no? In proceeding their college or schooling. So nowadays, no, every 3 years yata or yearly, no, tuition fees increases. So how much more if we cannot prepare on that? So hindi po makapag-proceed, no, ng pag-aaral ng mga kabataan natin if we are not prepared. Then increasing cost of living, no. So every year, no, so napapansin natin, no, the high inflation rate na taon-taon, nagtataas talaga yung mga bilihin natin. So many people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. Bakit? Kasi hindi sapat, kulang. But then, when the need arises, like emergency sweepers, so their only option is debt. So with these four challenges, kailangan nating maghanda, kailangan nating mag-save, at kailangan nating mag-invest. Alright, so okay, so in building our solid financial foundation, so ito po yung guide natin. Paano ba magkaroon ng solid financial foundations? Like building a house, we must build it from the ground. So magsa-start po tayo sa baba. So ano yung pinakababa? Right? So number one is the proper health care. No, so kailangan meron po tayo nan or yan po yung una nating i-build, yung healthcare po natin. Bakit? Tayo po yung nagtatrabaho, no? So we are the one providing our family, no? So ano na lang kung tayo magkasakit? Paano na lang kung hindi tayo makapag trabaho, no? So we will provide the family, no? Right? So napakalaga po na magkaroon tayo ng healthcare. Yes, we are employed. May short-term healthcare naman tayo, and that is good kasi it's a benefit. But then, lagi nating tandaan na the time that we are retired or the time na hindi na po tayo capable to work, hindi po natin nadadala yung short-term healthcare. So, napakahalaga po na magkaroon ng long-term healthcare na even we are not working anymore, no? When we retire, andyan pa rin si healthcare nakagapay sa ating kalusugan. Yes po. Then the second one is the life protection. So napakaganda din po na or kailangan din po natin paghandaan yung protection, no? Protect our hard-earned money. All right? So we're familiar with the life insurance. Yes. All right? So yan po yung protection sa sarili natin and for the family. Kasi, what if, no? We cannot tell kailan tayo kukunin ng Lord and we are the one or we are the breadwinner. What if kung may mangyari sa atin? What will happen to the family? No? Prepared ba? Or ano yung mangyayari sa family kung mawawala si breadwinner? So, pag may life protection po tayo, so yan po yung papalit na income na pino-provide ni breadwinner. Kasi we have that life insurance or life protection. No? So napakahalaga po. Then the third step is the debt management. So kailangan din nating i-manage yung ating utang. No? So may dalawang klase na utang, the good and the bad. When we say good, we take utang as investment. No? Nangutang po tayo kasi ni ano natin sa negosyo. Then we have that return of income. So another term kind of utang is the nangutang tayo kasi we make it into party, fiesta, travel, no? So, wala pong return sa atin. So, money-wise, utang is good when we use it in a proper way. Alright? Then, the fourth step is the emergency fund. So, kailangan din po natin maglaan ng intended for emergency fund in case po na may mga untowards na mangyayari. So, we are ready. No, nakalaan po yan mga 3 to 6 months of our salary na hindi po natin ginagalaw unless for emergency use only. Then the fourth one is the investment. So ito po yung pinakahuli natin na i-build, no? Kasi pag hindi po balance yung pagbi-build natin, masisira yung foundation. So what if ang dami natin investment una nating na build, no? So ang dami nating investment, but then along the way dumating tayo sa retirement or katandaan, then hindi natin na-build yung proper healthcare. So what happened is, lahat ng investment is mawawala kasi kakainin lang din yan yung healthcare natin. So iba talaga pag guided po tayo ng ladder, no? Ito po yung basis natin in building our solid financial foundation. Alright, so how do we create our plan? So ito po yung tinatawag na X-curve concept. So ano po yung si X-curve concept? So ito po yung si red line is our responsibility line and si blue line naman is our money line. So habang bata po tayo, so we have a big responsibility pa po. Bakit po? Kasi we have our basic needs, no? The food, the shelter, the clothing, and lahat-lahat. So while we are in our productive years or having our active income, so hindi din natin kakalimutan to build our money line. Alright, no? So bakit? Kasi pag dumating tayo sa ating katandaan or old age, no? So we have that passive income, no? Let our money work for us. So balance po na while having our active income, so savings, no? Para sa retirement age. Alright, so kasi pagtanda po natin, the same po yung needs natin, the basic needs, the food, filter. So yun, andyan pa rin yung gastusin. And then, ang pinaka ano natin during this time, the medication or the health maintenance, andyan na po. Alright, so iba talaga pag handa po tayo because there are two if in life, no? Sa word na life, makikita natin yung if sa gitna, no? So what if we die too soon? So ano po yung mangyayari? Ano po yung solusyon niyan? Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo kunin ng Lord. Handa ba tayo? So the solution and the other what if is what if I live too long, no? So bigyan tayo ni Lord ng mahaba-habang panahon na mabuhay. Alright? So for the die too soon, the solution for that is the protection for your family or the life insurance, the income replacement. And what if I live too long? That is the investment, living on interest, no? So these are the concept of X-curve concept. And then, all right, so do you know about long-term health care? Now, long-term health care provide when you retire or when you stop working. No, so andyan yan si long-term health care. So, paano po ito? So, ang ating long-term health care partner providers is the Kaiser International Health Group, no? Duly accredited with the Insurance Commission. All right, so paano ba? Or ano ba to si Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder? So, 3-in-1 na po siya. It is a product of provider of IMG and um, 3-in-1 product that solves the three major financial needs. Bakit? Health po, pwede na natin siyang gamitin for health purposes. Tapos may protection din po ito plus investment. Meaning, ito po yung ipon na walang tapon. Alright? So, yes, this is a complete financial plan for our major financial needs. Paano kung tayo po ay makakasakit? Yung solution yan is healthcare. Then, paano kung may mangyari sa iyo, no? So, paano na yung mga dependents? That is life insurance. And what if you stop working? Kanino ka sa pagtanda? So, have this investment and that is in one product and that is 3-in-1 na po. Alright? So, paano ba si 3-in-1? 7 years lang po tayong magsisave. Then plus 13 years, ito po yung accumulation period, the mature and the total of 20 years that our policy will mature, no? So, example dito at the age of 22, we started saving our Kaiser Ultimate Builder. So, 22 plus 7 is 29. Pagdating ng 29 years, so natapos na yung plan, so stop na po paying. Then we have to receive or get our full payment certificate. Then we have our waiting period or accumulation period of 13 years, a total of 20. Alright, so habang meron po tayong Kaiser, no? So while during the extended year period, no? So meron din po tayong mga benefits like hospitalization, consultation and check-up. So marami pa pong iba. Alright, so ito po yung plan natin, no? So depende po yun sa edad. So from 10 to 40 years old. So 10 years old magsisimula po na pwede na nating mabigyan ng healthcare long-term na Kaiser until 60 years old lang po. And may policy po tayo na 500 pesos every year. Okay? So, what if I die too soon? The solution for that is the life insurance. And what if I live too long? Who will take care of me? And that is investment or the long-term care. Then what if I get sick? And that is proper health care protect. All right. So with the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, it is the total solution to our health, investment, and insurance. Alright, so did you know about life insurance? No? Ang dami pong klase ng life insurance. So it's very important to know na anong klase yung insurance na meron tayo. Alright, so how to get or to know how much do I need insurance? So ito po yung formula natin. Income replacement equals annual income times 10. So ito po. Example, 20,000 times 12 kasi 12 months in a year. So, ilagay natin may annual ka pong 240K. So, times 10. So, 2.4 M. So, yan po yung needed na insurance na kukunin natin to secure the protection of our family. Alright, so yung insurances naman natin is depende po sa purpose natin why we got the insurance. Pwede po siyang for savings, target amount, return contribution, gusto mong kumuha for education, pension, or retirement. So nakadepende po iyan. Alright, so ano ba yung advantage if we get that insurance kung we put investment to insurances company? So the growth is a competitive rate of return. Is it safe enough? Yes. The most 18 PDF investments is guaranteed, no? Hindi po siya negative. Then, tax advantage kasi tax-free po. So, unlike sa bank na may ano po siya, may deduct ng tax. Pero pag nasa insurance ka, it's a tax-free. Then, does it have proper protection? Yes. Most 18 providers, large coverage, affordable it. No? So, napaka, ano lang po ng rate natin when it comes to life insurance dito sa IMG. Alright, so once we are building we have our um, life insurance, so in building our solid financial foundation, ano yun na po na yung na-build natin. So our insurance is the most 18 man, no? So we already have our protection at the same time emergency fund plus investment. So pag may insurance po tayo, 3-in-1 na din, no? So hindi lang po siya sa kape, no? So yung healthcare natin is 3-in-1 din. Alright, so we have this the magic of compounding interest. Ito po yung mga sekreto ng wealthy people. The rule of 72. So paano bang rule of 72? 72 divided by interest rate equals the numbers of years your money will double. So malalaman natin kung kailan dodoble yung pera natin ng ini-invest natin. Alright, so halimbawa, if you are saving in the bank as we apply the rule of 72, so, halimbawa may 10,000 tayo sa bangko times percentage na 1% or lagay natin 1% na binibigay ni bank per annum. So, 72 divided by 1 equals 72 years, meaning your money will double 72 years. No? So, imagine 10,000, may magiging 20,000 siya after 72 years. So, ang tanong niyan is, aabot pa ba tayo niyan? No? So, sobrang tagal siya. Alright? So, yan po yung mangyayari. And that is the formula. No? 72. So, halimbawa, sa 4% tayo nag-invest ng ano. So, the formula there is 72 divided by 4 equals 18. So, every 18 years, your money will double. So, at the age of 29, lagay natin may 100,000 po tayo. At the age of 29 plus 18 plus 18. So, hanggang umabot siya ng 65. So, yung 100,000 natin is nagiging 400,000. So, ang tanong din dyan is that enough during retirement age? No? So, ngayon pa nga lang is sobrang nagmamahala na yung bilihin. And what if may 8%? No? So, in-invest natin yung pera natin sa 8%. So, ano yung mangyayari? 72 divided by 8 equals 9, meaning every 9 years your money will double. Alright, so same amount, 100,000. And plus 8, plus 9, kasi every 9 years siyang magdo-double hanggang umabot siya ng at 75 years old. So yung 100,000 natin is nagiging 1.6 million po. So, okay na ba yan si 1.6 during retirement age? Alright, so what if may 12%? No? Imagine 72 divided by 12 equals 6. So your money double every 6 years. Alright, so same amount, 29 at the age of 29 na may 100,000 pesos po tayo, plus 6 kasi every 6 years your money will double hanggang sa abot siya ng 65, so abot siya ng 6.4. Alright, so ang napakaganda po is dito sa IMG is we are teaching you how to invest with that 12%, and that is our product, our partner providers dito po sa IMG, si Ramber Mutual Funds, no? Sa stocks, no? Shares and stocks. Alright, so ito na po, yung campaign natin 30M by 2030. Pag membership po tayo ni IMG, we have our own portal. Okay, so ito po, halimbawa, no? So, ano po yung benefits if member po tayo ni IMG? So, number 1, automatic po tayo na may 100,000 personal accident insurance, lifetime na po. So, at the same time, may Nura Cash din tayo. So, si Nura Cash is parang GCash po yan. Then, our Ramper Soldibo Fund. So, dito po natin na i-invest yung mutual fund, no? Stock market. So, yung kagandahan dito is yung pinaka maliit na pwede nating i-top up is 20 pesos, no? So, habit of saving lang po, no? Buy lang po tayo ng shares and along the way for long-term po na savings natin, aabot po talaga siya ng milyon. Depende po sa goal natin. Alright, so another benefit is Manila Bankers is our provider for our insurance. So pag gusto natin po, dito din makikita sa portal. Then another one is a Fidelity Life. Ito po yung parang St. Peter po na burial or memorial service. Burial po siya. So 50,000 kung may plano po tayo, this is convertible into cash po. Okay, so Kaiser International, once member po tayo ni IMG, so we are unlimited check-up for medical center. No? So, saan po si Kaiser Medical Center? Nasa SM po. No? So, unlimited po tayo. And if kukuha po tayo ng long-term healthcare, so makikita din po siya sa portal natin. Alright, so meron din po tayong IIAP exam kung gustuin po natin magkaroon ng license. And at the same time, vision care, libre po tayong check-up sa mata and 2 beses sa isang taon. So, only lens lang po yung babayaran natin kasi iba-iba yung grado ng mata natin. Then, we also have the Bolt Assurance or mga non-life insurances. No? So, andito may mga products din po tayo. Napakaganda po pag member po tayo ni IMG's, discounted po tayo. So, ano ba yung mga non-life insurances like sasakyan, motor, so any kind of vehicles pwede nating mabigyan for insurance. Kung ano yung gusto mong kunan ng insurances na mga non-life is dito po yan sa Bolt. Alright? Then, we have EPS, preservation, or gusto mo magkaroon ng corporation. Meron din po tayo. And, kung kailangan mo ng legal assistance with our lawyer, libre lang po dito sa IMG. In a year, 2 beses po tayong pwedeng mag-appointment online. Alright, then we also have the Everest Memorial Services kasi meron po tayong Fidelity, so may services po tayo for free. Then, we have Domini2 and the G Gives Donation kung nakahanap po tayo ng charity na pwede natin pagdunitan. So, dito din po yan sa IMG. And another program is the Auto program. Pag member po tayo ni IMG, makaka-discount po tayo no, pag kukuha po tayo ng sasakyan. So, bypass po natin si middleman. Direct lang po tayo sa manager. Hihingi tayo ng quotation and we will send it to here sa ating portal to avail the discount of IMG Auto Program. Alright, so ang napakaganda po as a member of IMG is libre lang po lahat ng financial workshops dito. No? So increasing our cash flow, building our strong financial foundation, building wealth, asset accumulation, libre lang po lahat. Retirement planning, and building business. No? So free lang po ito. Pag sa labas ka po mag-training, it cost thousands po. But then, pag member po tayo ng IMG, lahat po libre ang training. Alright? So, another free gifts, no? So, yung 100,000 na personal accident insurance, it can be maximized to 300,000 po. Alright? So, looking at our ladder or steps, kung may Kaiser long-term health po tayo, yung binibuild po natin dyan is the healthcare. And we have the life protection kasi 3-in-1 si Kaiser at the same time investment. At kung may insurance din naman po tayo, yung nabibuild po natin dyan is the life protection at the same time may emergency fund plus investment na din. So yung wala lang talaga yung i-workout lang po lang talaga natin is to manage our debt. No? So looking at the ladder is we are building our solid financial foundation through IMG. Alright, so ito po yung mga partners or IMG account once gusto na po nating mag-member, no? So our partners is Palawan. Kahit saan po, pwede na po tayong mag-member anytime. Kasi si Palawan, anywhere na din. Alright? But then, meron din po tayong mga bank account na pwede nating ipaprocess yung membership natin. Okay? So how to start in IMG? Just join one-time fee of 6,000 pesos. One time lang po and that is a lifetime membership. Then get your long-term healthcare builder. and share, no? So we can share, so be a campaigner and share how IMG help us. Then build a business that you can pass on to your member. So always remember na sa IMG membership po natin is may annual accreditation po tayo na 1,500 yearly po. Okay, so this is the steps how to do or join IMG. All right, so financial independence is not a dream, it's a decision to take. All right, then knowledge is powerful, but applied knowledge is powerful. No? So kung ano yung natutunan natin, then we are going to apply it because tayo lang din naman yung mga yung benefited dito. All right, so thank you so much for spending your time with us tonight, and I hope you learned from my presentation. And once again, good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa ating lahat. All right.